Hello guys, this is Saad and welcome to my channel. To check which operating system you have, first of all you'll have to right click on this PC and then you'll have to select on properties. You'll have to click on properties. As you can see, the information about your PC is stated over here, and system type 64-bit operating system. It may be 34 for you, or it could also be 64 for you, but you can find your operating system over here. For more similar videos you can subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, peace out.